Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2017 Durango SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: comfort seating group, quick order package 23B, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.